now let's assume that we're in a worst-case scenario, that we sustain substantial injuries at the accident at the fault of another driver or another party, and we were maybe escorted to the hospital, or we weren't able to talk with law enforcement and things like that. What necessary steps should we take at this point in the stage? Because maybe we missed that initial accident report on the scene and things of that nature.
Yeah, it's good. I always advocate making sure you're okay medically. I'm gonna say seek medical care immediately, because if there's any slight gap in medical care from the point that you're taken from the hospital until you start consistent physical therapy for your injuries, that gap period, I call it, is always open to attack by the defense. So to answer the question, I would say definitely seek consistent and effective medical care as soon as possible. And a good lawyer can help you get medical care if you don't have private health insurance. But that's real important. I've had many cases, Greg, over the years where the insurance companies look for opportunities to defend a case, and the big one that they try to do is the gap in care. And, of course, a lot of times any gap in care is really just an illusion, because a lot of times what injured folk try to do is they hope that their injuries do get better, and they'll self-medicate, they'll guard their bodies, they'll take off time from work earlier than usual or stay in bed longer than usual. That's all active care. That's everything that they're doing to participate in their own recovery. So when they do get the medical care, I always tell my clients, make sure you tell the docs that you did this actively before seeing the doctor that day. Self-medication, taking off work earlier than usual, hoping your symptoms would get better. All of that is active care, and it will help eliminate any future defense argument on any gaps of medical care. So consistent medical care right away is key to protecting you both not only medically but legally later on.